Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a single priority and a time block. This simplifies decisions and trains attention. Put distractions out of reach and enable Do Not Disturb so your phone and computer stop pinging. Close unrelated tabs and open only the apps or files you need. This reduces choice friction. Once done, take one deep breath and commit to the first block. This combination sets conditions that make sustained focus achievable rather than a matter of willpower alone. You maintain momentum by using a timer to create urgency and structure. The Pomodoro rhythm is effective because it balances focus with recovery. While working, force yourself to single task. Resist switching apps or contexts because each switch costs attention. If you notice attention slipping, shorten or lengthen blocks based on your energy. Adaptation improves consistency. Make brief notes for interruptions instead of following them, then return to the task. This keeps progress steady and minimizes cognitive fragmentation over the session. You close a focus session by reviewing what you completed and writing a clear next action. This preserves momentum for the next block. If you were distracted, note the trigger and decide a concrete mitigation step for next time. Change location, tweak notification settings, or alter block length. If sessions repeatedly fail, experiment. Move to quieter spaces, use stricter app blockers, or shift work to a different time of day. This diagnostic loop prevents repeating the same mistakes and steadily improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.